Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Store error code solved. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Store Apps. Second method is type Wsreset in Windows search bar, click Wsreset. Third method is Start, Windows Store. Sign out and sign in again. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Apps and Features. Type Store, click Advanced Options. Repair and reset. Fifth method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. Copy second command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.